Now you would like to modify the visuals. For example, you have been selected a column chart. Okay, but here we have taken a row wise sales channel and column wise we have a quantity. That is the sum of quantity we have been taken. If you like to change that one, okay, you can change here by select here this particular drop down, okay, and go to measure and change it to average. So average quantity sold will be taken. If you like to change it to a like measures median mode maximum sales, like this we can change it to a any of the value based on a requirement. You can say here measures we have to say sum. Okay, for example, you don't want quantity here on a column wise. Okay, column should not be quantity. I would like to change that one. How to change that one? We have to select that one and drag it to here. Okay, drag it to this particular pane. Okay, drag it to outside. Then you would like to have a price there. Select price, drag and drop it into a column space. Okay, has been taken. If you like to add a quantity also, select quantity, click and drag it to a columns. So two column has been created. One column is about a price, one column is about a quantity. Okay, if you like to have a labels here, in the sense how much quantity is sold, how much price it is, you have to take a price into a labels. Here you can see on left hand side in marks we have to select a labels. Okay, the price will be shown. Similarly, quantity, take it into a labels. Again, if you select, if you like to change the here, it will show now price and quantity how much, price and quantity how much. Similarly, if you take a price into a details, okay, it will show in detail about a here. Okay, if you like to take it something in a tooltip, like a country to be in a tooltip, what will happen when someone click on here, it will show country if it is a proper one. If it is not a proper one, it will not show. If you like to take it out, select like this, you can take it out. Okay, you can select and take it out. And similarly, for example, you would like to arrange them in a order. Arrange them in a order. How to arrange them in a order? We have to here, we have to go here. Okay, sort, we can arrange it in a order. We can select a quantity, arrange it in a order. Quantity wise it is order like this, largest to smallest, smallest to largest. If you like to change them into a switch them, in the sense to a vertical format, here vertical format is there, you can select this one, row into column, column into row, directly it will be switched. Okay, and if you like to clear all the visuals you have been created, you can select this one, clear sheet. If you like to clear only formatting, clear formatting, whatever the formatting you have been done by using this one, it will be cleared. If you like to clear entire sheet, clear sheet, the entire visuals will be taken off. Here clear option, this for a switching, this for a sorting. If you like to have a one more graph, like a, we'll take a country wise. Okay, country wise quantity sold. Okay, it will show like this, country wise quantity sold. If you like to arrange them, you can arrange it in a order. If you like to arrange it in a descending order, you can arrange it in a descending order. You can see it will be like this. Okay, if you like to change a row into column, column into row, by using this switch option. Okay, for example, if you like to give a different color for a based on a size, okay, based on a quantity, if you like to give a different color, select a quantity and take it to a color option here. Okay, the color variation will be there. Okay, color will be vary see, based on a quantity. Okay, if you like to vary the size based on a quantity, take it into a size. See, size of the column varying as a quantity decreasing, size also, the thickness also decreasing. Okay, if you take a quantity into a label, you can see all the labels has been given to a selected chart. All the labels are there here. Okay, if you like to take it to a tooltip, price to be in a tooltip. Okay, what happened here? It will show price as well as a quantity. If I take it out from the tooltip, this is nothing but a tooltip, selected, drag it outside here. Now you can see price is not shown. Okay, if you like to take a distributor in terms of the details, okay, here you can see it will be splitted into a two or more column depending upon a number of the distributors within a that particular country. For example, in this particular country, two distributors are there. One distributor is the Jilni and second distributor is the Kid. Okay, 104 he sold at 85. Like that it will be splitted. If you like to take a detail about a within that particular country, if you like to split, then you can select this one. For example, country wise, channel wise, I would like to check channel to be in a detail. So for a different channel, different has been applied. For example, we'll change the color based on a channel. Select channel and into a color, so that different color for a different channel. On right hand side you can see retail is a red, direct is in a blue color, and online is in a orange color. Okay, like this we can visualization, we can modify the visualization by selecting any of the marks are nothing but a to give a modifier. It is a modifier for your chart. Okay, once you have been modified by using any of the things, okay, you already understood all the modifiers, you can drag and drop any type of the modifier here. According to that it will be changed. According to that it will change. For example, if I take it out the size, all size will be equal because I haven't distinguished as a size. Okay, if I take it out the sales channel, if I take it out quantity, it will not be shown here. Quantity sold, the moment you take a quantity into a label, it will show the quantity. Okay, like this it will be modifying each and everything. It will be modified, okay, based on a requirement. Okay, this is about how to use a marks, how to use a marks to modify your chart.